Okay. So this I have. So this is gonna be a video when I build stuff and I show you all my tools. So this is the brand what I use. Husky hatchet. We have 3 different hatchets. Okay, let's just put that there. And Husky mallet.
How big?
What?
How big?
How much does it weigh? 4 pounds. Here's some nice pliers. See this little thing? You click it right here. You close it and you lock it. Now it's locked, but you can, if you pull it apart, it'll pull apart. But because when I accidentally hammered myself, Papa was pretending this was my safety inspector. That's not even a real person. Okay, so wait, where did I put it?
What about that yellow handle one?
These are my Husky things. This might look a lot more deadly, but this is only supposed to cut. You probably have this. I know you have this in your house. You know what that is? Insulation. It's supposed to cut insulation. It can't cut anything else but insulation.
What will it cut for Gigi?
Wood.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think you missed a new hammer.
Oh,
What's that yellow handle one?
No, I'll show you that. I'll show you that in a little bit. Here's the saw. Oh, here's something cool. Paula, get it.
Get what?
Wait. Okay. So. Same saws.
What kind of saw is they called? Remember?
No.
Hacksaw.
Hacksaw.
Good at metal cutting.
Big hacksaw, little hacksaw. Okay. Here, and then here's one cool saw. You know, okay. Let's pretend, this is a wood saw. And you're always struggling to push it and push it, but this saw is special. Instead of pushing it forwards, you push it back, and it's easier to cut.
It's called a pull saw.
A pull saw. Yeah.
Made in where?
I don't know.
Japan.
Japan. I just forget stuff. See, that's one thing about me. Okay. Put that right there. Okay. So, here's this hammer. My mommy has this exact hammer. I don't know why I bought it, but I'm starting my whole tool shelf. All the Husky stuff, and the pliers, and this hammer, and that hammer, and that hacksaw. Those were all mine. Okay, let me show you something else. This was a DIY apocalypse weapon I built. That stands for do it yourself. This actually counts as a saw because let me show you how good of a saw this cuts. It's a little easier on like circles.
Try cutting on here because it's in the clamp.
Yeah.
There you go.
Did that. Okay. So.
Important tool.
What?
This is an important tool.
It's not.
It's called the Bourbanator.
Instead of the Terminator.
Mm-hmm.
Here's some duct tape. Oh. And I believe pretty much last
There's
video?
a big giant hammer.
Oh, okay. I'll show you that in a minute. Oh, I'm just gonna show you. Oh, in the last video, I duct taped this. 2 nails, duct tape, dinosaur, duct tape, there's glue there. I know it looks like a unicorn, but not anymore because now it's pooping out. And I'm gonna put on gloves to touch this, and you're probably wondering why. Why are you putting gloves to touch foam? Here's the thing. My mommy has lead spots on her chest because this stuff doesn't look itchy, but it is. Trust me. That might not look itchy, but it is. So, yeah, that is itchy. Okay, so, wondering what this is, what Pop said. Ugh. 8 pounds, 8-pound sledgehammer. Keep it right there. Okay. You're probably wondering, who's this? Told you in the very first video, that this was Buzzkill. And, you're probably wondering who bought this. Who bought all the Huskies? That was me. I need a hanger. Okay.
You're good.
Okay. Okay. 2.5-pound pickaxe. As you can see, I hit it with a hammer a couple times to get it in really in there to the dirt. Okay. Oh, here I showed you this in one of the other videos. What is this called again?
Bowie knife.
Yeah.
I really don't like you having the Bowie knife on the top of a stepladder.
Okay. And why don't you take that?
Yeah.
Okay. Safety inspector. Do I need... Okay.
Safety inspector caught you. Don't
Okay.
break safety inspector.
I won't. What is he actually made for?
He's an armature, and you can pose him like a person and use him as a art tool. So you can say, how would a person look like when
There's
they're
a big
running?
light.
Give us a blast. Whoa. Whoa, okay.
I was waiting to keep on, so
Very
you
bright.
probably didn't see it, so. But I really... Whoa. Okay. So here's, in pretty much in the dinosaur video, which was right there, I showed you earlier, this Nerf mod. I had a little pea shooter right there. Machine guns. So this can hold 9 bullets. And, here, this is all new. But guess what? This can move. See this right here? It's not flat. It's not flat like this. It's like...
Do you remember what it's called?
It's like
It's a 45 degrees. It's called a French cleat.
Yeah, that, and it can just move right off. You can put it over there, wherever you like. Oh, and I put this hook here for this.
Electronic protractor. Tells you angles.
Yep, and it hangs right there. On that handy dandy hook. Here's Pop-Pop's nails. Or his nail gun over here on that shelf.
Yep. Brad Naylor.
Yeah. You know those Thanksgiving things where you put like stuff in? That's what this looks like.
Oh, cornucopia?
Yeah. cornucopia. So, here's the pop-ups.
My turn. Man.
Is this plugged in?
No, I don't believe it is.
Whoa.
Otherwise the laser would be on.
So this is what you do. You put a piece of wood right here. Just do that. There's a pop-up drill press. Okay. Let's see.
Drill press or drill mess?
Drill press. Not drill mess. Pop-up, could you show them wet hot nail?
Okay.
Okay, Pop's gonna show you wet hot nail. Let me show you something about this. You probably won't have one of these at home, but yeah, this. You see what I have? This. No, I don't want to touch it. Okay, this. Okay, I'll show you.
Get the vice grip.
Okay,
Right here.
that nail. Okay, hey, don't, stop. Vice grips. Okay. Guess we just put this nail simply in there. How do you do it?
It's too loose. Now stick it in.
Okay, and you're gonna see red hot nail. I'm not holding this.
Well, you have to. We can't do everything. You got to help.
Red hot nail.
The grip wasn't very good with those pliers.
Okay, I'll show you. Look at that black dot is just from red hot nail.
Yeah, we do not touch that nail.
No. Nope, but I'm gonna try to bend it. Okay, move this out the way. And then clip it. For me. Okay. Let's get nice hammer.
It's not hot anymore. Let's get it hot.
It's lovely enough. I'm gonna do this.
Okay, let's see that bend. Yeah, sneaky.
I just bend it. Look at it, I just bent it.
Okay, don't get too close to the camera. That doesn't help. And we have to leave that alone for several minutes.
Is that several more than one?
Yes, several is more than one. Several is more than two.
Several is more than 1,000. Okay, so that is that.
The metal stays hot for a long time. The wood doesn't stay hot very
Which
long.
was which nail?
The nail right here.
Oh, yep. Let's keep that in there. Is it hot?
No. I can hold it now.
Okay, stop. As you can see.
Bent.
What?
Bent.
Oh yeah. Okay. This is a type of saw. Nice saw.
Mm-hmm.
You just put this wheel. The child lock, I think.
Yep, it's a sawzall blade.
Sawzall blade. And you didn't do it.
You need a new blade, you can put a new sawzall blade in there.
Okay, like I showed you earlier, this, and is this white I got earlier today. Oh, here's this nice cool sign.
glued back together because it had an accident.
Yeah. With wood glue. Okay. Don't turn the heater on.
You're taking your clothes off because you're hot, and now you want the heater on?
Just a little bit.
It's going to make noise on your video.
Okay, that's fine.
I'll put it on low.
Okay, so. Okay. Maybe I can build something.
Maybe it's time for a break.